are going viral with this video. This video is actually called ghosting. Now, are you a content creator or a beginner in editing and you want to learn how to edit ghosting? In this video, I'm going to be guiding you 2 practical ways to edit this particular video, and it's actually very free. All you just have to do, you share this video and let other benefit. All right, let's go. All right, open your CapCut. iPhone or Android versions is fine. So click on new video, okay? So now let's pick a video of ourselves now. Okay, now look at, I've actually make a video of me laying down. You can see me laying down and then I actually stand up again. And then after standing up, you can see me looking at where I was actually laying down before. You can see, so I'm going to bring in the video, all right? So now when you bring in the video, we are going to be using 2 formats in this video. We are going to be using 2 formats to edit this ghosting. We're going to be using splice format and we're going to be using opacity format. Okay, so now the first format we're going to be using is splice, so pay attention as we continue. So please don't forget to share this video. All right, so now you can see that spot of me actually laying down. I'm going to split at the spot of me laying down, right? You split. So this front clip, we are going to be stepping it down. The front clip is where you were actually standing up from you laying down, right? So you click on this overlay. Overlay allow you to step down. Okay, after stepping it down, you activate the back one, which is the one of you what of laying down. Then you look for freeze. We are going to be freezing it. Freezing allow you to take a snap of a particular video angle. So you click on freeze. So after freezing it, you stretch it to the end of the down clip of you standing up. Okay, so now you've actually frozen you laying down, and then you now have your clip of you standing up down. So we have 2 clip now. So activate the down clip. You click on the down clip of you standing up, right? So you click on splice. I told you the first format we are using is splice. So when you click on splice, you click on filter. So automatically when you click on filter, you are going to be having a result like this, but we don't want that. So we're going to be reducing the splice to like 64. But at that 64, it is still not okay. If you take a close look, it is too fainty or too white, so which we don't like it. And if you want to use lighting tool will still not give you what you want. So let's go back to filter and then take it to 29. So now if we are to use splice at 20, filter at 29, look at this is what we are going to get. So let's play the video to see what we are going to get. Take a close look. But there's an error. You can see there's an error because it's whitish and the ghosting is too faint. And that is the reason why we're going to be using another method. So now I'm going to go back to splice because what we don't like this result. So we'll go back to splice and return it back to normal, and then take the splice to 100% back. So we have returned the video back to normal. So now let's go to opacity to get our good result. So when you click on opacity, just take it back to 22, or let's see, yeah, I think 22 will be fine. Now click on the confirm button and then play to see what you have. You can see it is not whitish and the ghosting is properly seen. You can see we are playing it now to see. You can see I can see the ghost properly, and I can see the person laying down properly. So this is how you actually achieve your ghosting result, either using opacity or using splice. So when you are done with the result, you go ahead and do what? And click on export. Don't forget, you need to make a video of yourself either sitting down or laying down. Anyhow you want your ghosting to be, it depends. All right, so please share this video and let it benefit. All right, thank you.